So this is the video I've been waiting for to make, and it's actually how you can track your trading performance by analyzing your trading metrics. So at the end of this video, you'll know how to analyze and track your performance so you can see what you're good at and what you're not good at. So let's go. So what I want you guys to do is you go online to Google and you make a Google Sheet account where you're gonna make a new sheet and you're gonna call it Trading Performance. As you can see on the bottom, we have all these tabs, and as of right now, I want you guys to name this tab the current month you're actually in. So right now it's February, and then we can finally put in all the data which we want to analyze. So as you can see in the first column, I have date, next starting balance, instrument, so this is the currency pair you are trading, the position, long or short, how much you are risking, so risk, time frame, so the 1 minute, 5 minute, 15, lot size, profit and loss, charges or commission, your actual profit, your balance. Next, you can leave a comment which is important to that trade. Then you can enter your Notion journal link for that trade that you've actually taken. And finally, you can see your total profit for the whole month. So I want you guys to fill in this whole sheet for every trade that you take. And at the end of the month, I want you to go and analyze which pairs you're failing the most at. I want you to see if you're still risking 1%. And I also want you to analyze if you're sticking to the same strategy you've been trading before. So I recommend you guys to also name this, for example, February and then SMC. So for instance, this is February and smart money concept. So you basically know that you're trading the same strategy for the whole month. So I know for a fact that everyone who does this and who tracks their performance will actually improve because they actually know what they're doing wrong. So this is what I recommend you guys to do. It costs a little bit of time, but I think it's definitely worth it. So if you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe, and let me know down in the comments if you were actually already doing this. I'm curious. See you in the next one, guys. Peace.